How to change language on Rednote application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change the language on inside your Rednote application. So just head over to your Rednote application, and once you're inside here, simply click on the me button at the bottom right corner over here, as you can see, and you will see the settings gear like this on the side of your profile, and just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be heading over to this interface where you see the general settings. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you will see the option called languages, and make sure you click on it, and you can see it's selected to English. And if it's in your case, if it's selected in this first or second, just make sure it's selected in English version. So once you click on English, just save, hit the save button at the top right corner over here, and once you click on save, you should be getting the your screen on your English. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.